I'm Jenny Lohefner. I work at Adastra Information Systems, and our company is a software company in the higher education space. We had numerous business problems that we were trying to solve that were all related to data. The one that drove us to Matillion specifically was mostly around our ETL flow, our data flow from our clients into our product. And so we have struggled to be able to access the data in a meaningful way, in a quick way, get it transformed into the model that we need for our software to be able to utilize it and back out to our clients. We were needing something quick and that we could get moving forward with as soon as possible. And so the platform alone was a big draw for us. We trialed out a whole bunch of different options, and Matillion was the easiest for us to sort of get up and running, allowed us to deploy it ourselves, kind of play in the space. It was easy to learn, easy to pick up, and most importantly for us, it allowed our non-technical experts to also kind of get into the space and play, and that was a huge draw for us. Matillion and Redshift, the combination of that platform for us has definitely contributed to the speed factor. Just the fact that it's running on the Redshift environment has allowed us to get through some of the transformation of data in a much faster fashion than we've been able to in the past. We've seen numerous business benefits already. We've freed up our resources from an engineering perspective to get back to sort of the heart of our product, and they can spend their time developing new features for our clients. And it's allowed our analysts to get in and be able to manipulate and change and transform the data into ways that they need. So I think scale has been a huge thing for us. It's allowed the whole company to sort of get involved and own their own problems. Things that used to take us days are now taking us minutes. It's much easier for us to pinpoint where maybe things aren't transforming the way we thought that they should be, or things are going wrong, whereas before we sort of had to run everything through the entire process. Results spit out at the end, well, that's not what we want, and we have no way to backtrack. It's opened up other opportunities for utilizing data that people maybe hadn't considered before, or if they had, thought we had no direct path forward to utilizing it. So it's sort of just changed the culture and the way that we are talking about not only our clients' data, but our own data internally to the company. And it's all because this tool is allowing people to get in and see truly where the data is coming from, where it's being stored, how it's being manipulated, and that was all historically sort of a black box to the majority of the company.